Let's walk through how to use the PDF pagination accordion on the Numbers page of Toolkit.law. Open the Numbers section, then select the legal page. Click on the PDF pagination accordion title bar to access this tool. Here, you can upload your source file directly from your device or through integrated services such as Dropbox, Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive, and other connected storage options. Once uploaded, the tool automatically prepares your document for clear, consistent legal pagination. This ensures your filings, court bundles, and evidence sets meet professional and procedural standards. Simply follow the on-screen prompts to apply page numbers, review the output, and download your finalized, paginated PDF. Toolkit.law's PDF pagination tool is designed for efficiency, accuracy, and seamless workflow integration, ideal for legal professionals who rely on structured, compliant document preparation. And that's how you use Toolkit.law's PDF pagination accordion.